loss affects your ability to communicate, and that's relationships.
Our philosophy is to treat every individual as if they were a member of our own family, with honesty, with integrity, and with compassion.
Of all the people with hearing loss, the vast majority are not medically treatable. Those are the people that we can help.
And I just want you to press the button I gave you when you hear a tone, even if you barely hear it. Alabama Hearing Associates is an audiology practice run by Doctors of Audiology. I'm going to begin testing your right ear first. As human beings, we love being connected. We love being social. And so when you're not enjoying those things in life, then there's usually an underlying reason.
So often people come to us and they don't realize how much hearing loss they have. They just know they're frustrated, or their wife is frustrated because they have to ask for repetition.
Oh, your ear looks great.
To be able to help someone overcome those struggles, that's what I love about what I do.
Your appointment, Heather, she needs to come back in 2 weeks.
To me, it's very important that patients don't leave just thinking, okay, I received my hearing aids, now I'm on my own. It's not like that.
A lot of our time is spent counseling our patients and teaching them strategies to communicate better, not just to hear better.
Because our patients are so important to us, that they're successful and that they're happy, and we know that's what builds our practice.
Good morning, thank you for calling Alabama Hearing.
We have a staff that's encouraging, warm, and comforting when you come in. Our audiologist, myself, and Dr. Lyles are accessible to individuals that have particular questions or fears that need to be addressed before they even come through our doors sometimes.
That's what sets us apart from the rest, is that extra care, that extra time we take looking at the whole person.
The most rewarding thing is when patients come back and tell me, I love my hearing aids. I'm hearing at church. My family didn't know I was wearing hearing aids, and I heard everything they said. When I do my job and I've provided a solution to their issue, I sleep really well at night and wake up very happy.